Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view or know your laptop model name in Windows 11. For this, I will use total 3 methods and you can use either. So let me begin without any delay. First one method is through System Information tool. For this, click on this one Start button. Type here System Information. In the search results, click on this one System Information Entry. Select System Summary in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find System Model item, and beside that, you can see your laptop model number. Next one method is through command prompt. For this, click on this one Start button. Type here CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry. Select Run as Administrator. When Windows prompts, click Yes. In command prompt window, you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find it in this video description also. WMIC space CS product space get space name. After copy and paste, just press enter on the keyboard to find your laptop model number. Third one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one Start button. Type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. Select Run as Administrator. Press Yes when prompted. Here you need to copy and paste this one command, that is get. Like this, you can copy and paste this one long command and press enter on the keyboard to get your laptop model number. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.